Another interesting node is the noise node. For example, we have a rocky mountain here, and we don't want to blur it very much. We want to delete noise of this small part. Okay, not very much. So in this case, you can use the noise. You connect the rocky to the noise input, and see. As you can see, look at here. For better seeing the noise, I changed the resolution to the 1K preview. As you can see, it's blurring a small part of the noise. It's very nice. You can change the denoise strength. The speckle is actually it's actually for denoising a noticeable part and leave other part. But be careful about using that. Or apply enhance. It's create more enhanced denoising. Another interesting system in a Gaea is parallel processing. It's enabled. Chain size, as you can see in this size, it's divided the part of the terrain to this size and process on that, and with the edge blending, it's after the processing each part it's connecting to each other. As you can see, if you despeckle, if you increase the number of the despeckle, you can see that parts here. Okay, this is our bleeding part that you can make it a higher number to disappear them. In this case, for example, 10%, you can see the it's cut the tile to this number here, for example, and processing them process, for example, in this part, in this part, in this part, parallel to each other to better and fast calculates parallel processing in the Gaea. If you have a parallel system, you don't need to each, and you can turn it off and you can see the speckle. So this is on parallel processing. It divided the huge terrain to the pieces and it process on individual pieces, and after that it's connecting the pieces together that you have to define the edge blending. For example, in this number, and there did disappear. Oh, there are somewhere here more blending edge and or disappear. In some cases we have. Okay, this is just the noise, simple and easy. Back to smaller. Nice. Hello, my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.